In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your tweets activity. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Twitter app and then just swipe over to the right to open up that menu, and then here tap Add Profile. It shows you up your tweets, and here you can just tap on some of your tweets, and there you can find View Tweets Activity feature. Just tap on that and it shows you up tweets activity, so actually a statistic for that specific tweet. How many people like the tweet, how many people retweet it and comment it. Also, there is statistic about amount of impressions and some other options. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.